All right, this is your intro to space, our space unit. I hate that I'm not getting to do this with you in person, but that's okay. So, the first part of our space unit is talking about why is life on Earth possible? What makes a planet habitable? I've made this infographic available to you as a PDF. So I'm going to go through it though with you on this video really quickly because I really thought this was a cool way to show this. So this is talking about an exoplanet, exoplanet habitability. So basically, what's it going to take for there to be life on another planet by looking at what makes life on Earth possible? So, the first thing this talks about is stars. This is talking about how stars, because of the things that they let out, the different types of light rays that they let out, you have to have the right kind of star, and you eventually have to be the right distance from that star in order to have life. So, what we really want is a star that's not too big, that's not too small, and we've got that. Our sun is the perfect star. When we move down, this talks about orbits. So, the orbit of the planet around its star needs to be it needs to not be eccentric, is what that says there. So it needs to be a predictable orbit that is the right distance from that star in order to not have crazy temperatures. Right here it says habitable planets are likely found in the Goldilocks zone. So that comes from that story of the little girl who goes into the bear's house and she tries the soft bed and she tries the hard bed and then she finds one that's just right. She falls asleep. That's Goldilocks. So the just right is where we get that term. So our planet is in the habitable zone, or the just right distance away from our star, the sun. But that's not all. We also need magnetic fields. Magnetic fields protect us from cosmic, um, cosmic radiation, basically, that would come and destroy our atmosphere. So we have to have this magnetic field to throw off those. Also, our size makes a difference. If a planet's too small, it can't hold an atmosphere. If it's too large, then the gravity is too great, and sometimes the atmosphere can be too heavy. So it has to be just the right size, and also the atmosphere has to be made of the right stuff. It's this composition element. We need to be able to have water, especially in three forms. That's very important, especially liquid water. That talks about that here. Our atmosphere and our temperature makes it possible for liquid water, which is really important for life. There's some more talking about water. So you can read through that. This is really interesting, how oceans and tides impact things, and how what our surface is made of, our plate tectonics, volcanoes, all of these things make a difference for our planet. And then, of course, the interior, our core, which is what produces our magnetic field, that's really important too. So the ones that you need to focus in on, however, are all of the ones from water up. So when you go through and look at this yourself, I want you to read through this. It's going to go along with your STEMscopedia, and then you're going to have a little assignment to do in response to these. So I hope you enjoy learning more about our planet and what makes life on it possible. I hope that you are as in awe as I am of just how unique we are in being able to support life. So enjoy.